This is the Sphere, the latest, most ambitious and visually striking attraction in Las Vegas to date. While the exterior is impressive, what awaits inside is even more fascinating than you might expect. Let's take a closer look. The Sphere is a massive music and entertainment arena in Paradise, Nevada, United States, east of the Las Vegas Strip. It is the most recent addition to Las Vegas' skyline. The Sphere, which stands over 100 meters tall and has a diameter of 150 meters, has been named the world's largest spherical structure, beating the previous record held by the Avicii Arena in Sweden. This massive entertainment complex costs a whopping $2.3 billion, making it the most costly in Las Vegas ever. It eventually launched in Las Vegas late last September and is unlike anything that we've ever seen. The facade of the orb-shaped performance venue is a massive LED screen that has previously shown visuals as a gigantic eyeball, a satellite picture of Earth, an emoji face, and a tennis ball. The inside houses a massive internal 16K resolution screen, as well as haptic, audio, and temperature capabilities designed to target each member of the audience during live performances. However, the Sphere, undoubtedly an architectural marvel, stands at an impressive 366 feet tall and spans a width of 516 feet, proudly holding the title of the largest spherical object globally. Its interior is designed to accommodate 10,000 immersive seats and standing room for an additional 20,000 people, all enveloped by a massive dome-shaped screen that extends around and above the audience. This colossal screen, equivalent in size to 2 soccer fields, is a key feature developed by Sphere Entertainment Company, the live entertainment and media organization behind the venue. Paul Westbury, the Executive Vice President of Development and Construction at Sphere Entertainment Company, emphasizes the intricate design and precision required for the project. The construction involved traditional materials like steel and concrete, but it also demanded the meticulous positioning of millions of diodes with precision comparable to the thickness of a blade of grass within the performance display. The arrangement of speakers was a critical aspect, ensuring effective audio transmission to every corner of the venue without interfering the colossal screen. Uninterrupted views for everyone inside the Sphere became a paramount consideration. In addition to its sheer size, the Sphere introduces several experiential add-ons, creating a multi-sensory environment. This includes simulated wind and scent, enhancing the immersive quality of the audience's experience. The audio technology, known as beamforming, is a distinctive feature designed by HoloPlot. It utilizes algorithms to control sound waves over long distances, contributing to a unique and high-quality auditory experience. Notably, humanoid robots named Aura play a role as greeters and information providers, adding a futuristic touch to the venue's offerings. The Sphere's impact extends beyond its physical dimensions, sparking discussions about the evolving landscape of architecture in the face of digital advancements. Yale University architecture critic Christopher Hawthorne raises the question of whether traditional analog architecture can compete with the allure of digital wizardry for popular attention. Joshua Vermillion, an architecture professor at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, suggests that the pressure on architecture to incorporate digital infrastructure into new venues will persist. He anticipates that while some may replicate the Sphere concept, others may strive to push it further, thereby influencing how city skylines and the built environment interact and evolve. As the Sphere emerges as a pioneering structure, its success may pave the way for similar projects globally. The fusion of cutting-edge technology, architectural innovation, and immersive experiences within the Sphere sets a new standard. Whether others replicate its design or embark on endeavors that surpass it, the Sphere marks a pivotal moment in architectural evolution, prompting a reconsideration of how buildings and the surrounding public realm can dynamically interact and adapt to the digital age. Beyond its status as a pioneering architectural feat, the Sphere emerges as a massive canvas for artists with a digital facade that might be one of the largest ever produced. The first artist to use the outer dome, Refik Anadol, used the potential of the Sphere to create an artificial intelligence-powered data sculpture inspired by space and nature. This revolutionary artwork is shown by over 1 million LED pucks, each with many diodes capable of displaying hundreds of millions of colors. Moreover, Sphere's large digital surface has drawn the attention of advertisers in addition to providing a platform for artistic expression. The exosphere has previously been used for a variety of promotions, including a Mortal Kombat 1 video game campaign and an NFL Sunday football subscription package. The building, according to David Hopkinson, president and COO of Madison Square Garden Sports, including Sphere Entertainment Company, will be used for brand storytelling, showcasing its adaptability and supporting both creative and commercial endeavors. The inside of Sphere is a painting in and of itself, drawing artists such as Brian Eno, Marco Brambilla, and S. Devlin. These artists were invited to contribute graphics to a U2 concert, demonstrating the possibility of unusual partnerships between musicians and visual artists. The transforming aspect of Sphere's technology, according to visual artist and filmmaker Marco Brambilla, provides performers with extraordinary visual possibilities that transcend the boundaries of traditional touring. Darren Aronofsky, a well-known director, provides another illustration of Sphere's potential in his movie Postcard from Earth. This immersive video, which combines science fiction and environmental documentary aspects, is intended to be unique to Sphere until 2024. The 50-minute film, shot with a unique camera from Sphere Studios and housed in a dome-shaped facility, delivers an experience that goes beyond the typical movie setting. Furthermore, Sphere's innovative audio system has also received recognition for its ability to establish an intimate connection between performers and audiences. The Edge of U2 emphasized how Sphere enabled the band to create a degree of closeness that would be difficult to accomplish in a typical venue. The screen's permeable construction avoids echo, resulting in immaculate sound clarity. Sphere, like every revolutionary initiative, has been met with criticism and mistrust. Some commentators say that, while Sphere may provide a fresh experience, appropriate for the bright milieu of the Las Vegas Strip, it's not necessarily introduced a whole new kind of art. The New York Times, for example, noted occasions when the displays might cause seasickness. The Sphere contains a chamber for those who may get overstimulated, addressing worries about sensory overload. Broader problems go beyond the creative arena, especially in places where comparable initiatives are being contemplated. Residents in London, where plans for the next Sphere are being developed, have expressed concerns about light pollution. While Las Vegas, which is accustomed to high levels of light pollution, has the flexibility to reprogram Sphere, there are worries at other sites about potential disturbances to local species. Kevin Hauser, an engineering specialist at Oregon State University who specializes in light sources and lighting design, emphasizes the influence of artificial light at night on flora and fauna's natural behaviors. Now let's talk about the owner of the Sphere. It was created through a collaboration between the Madison Square Garden Company and the Las Vegas Sands Corporation, and it opened in 2018. Well, that's it. For now, make sure that you like our video. Now that you know about the $2.3 billion Sphere, what do you think? Share your views in the comment section with us, subscribe to the channel to get updated. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you at the next one.